When I first started making money from my craft, I thought money would make all your problems disappear, right? So in today's video, I want to give back to you guys because the truth is, bro, it doesn't matter on how much you earning, bro. You could be bringing in 10K a month, 20K a month. You could be making six figures, bro. You could be making all the money in the world. But the thing I want to tell you guys in this video, bro, that your teacher's not going to tell you, a lot of money gurus not going to be able to tell you, bro. A lot of people, they're not gonna be able to tell you. If you don't master some of these things and you don't realize some of these things, it don't matter how much money you're making. You're still gonna be in the same situation. So what's good, YouTube, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Reese in the Cut, back with y'all with another video today. Today is the day, y'all. Clap it up. I'm manifesting it. We are literally 30 subscribers away from 40,000. So that means we most definitely gonna hit it. So thank you guys, bro. I wanna say first off, man, this is surreal every single video. You guys are making my dream a reality. All right. You asked me 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 years ago, do you see yourself doing something like this? I would say I wanted to, but I would never say I actually believed, like really believed that it was able to come in this fast too, because man, the subscribers been coming fast. But this video is not about me. This video is to help you guys out. So just make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you guys join the membership channel. I just dropped a video on there yesterday. We're doing a 15-day life challenge, so make sure you guys go tune into that. Now, today's video, basically, right, I wrote down just a few of the things that I realized that I thought when you start making money, things would get a lot easier. But I actually was faced with some adversity. I was actually faced with some of the things that, hey, I didn't expect this when I started making bread. So I want to kind of self-aware you guys. All right, so further ado, let's hop straight into the video. So the first thing that I realized, right, that more money doesn't fix bad habits, and making more money does not fix all of your problems. Okay, so the biggest thing that I had to realize in this, the biggest point that I want to make is, what does the internet try to make money seem like? They try to make it seem like the more money you make, the more straight that you're gonna be, or the more money that you make, the better you are as a person, right? They try to basically use a man's or a female's rank in the world based off how much money they make. And the first thing I want to tell you guys that I realized, bro, I'm not gonna lie, and this is from experience. I know some people that's only bringing in, bro, the $2,000 to $3,000 a month, and they look like they up. And I know some people, bro, who bringing in anywhere from $7,000 to $15,000 a month. They don't really got too much to show for it. And the reason why is that because, bro, lifestyle creeps, you know what I'm saying? Bad habits, bad spending habits, impulsive spending. That's what I'm saying. There could be a person that's only bringing in $2,000 to $5,000 a month, which is actually still good money. You know what I'm saying? For certain states, you know, depending on where you live in. There's people who's bringing in less amount of money. They're more happy. Their habits are better, and they have a lot more to show for it. Okay. And then you got the other people who's making the 7 to 15, 20K a month. They got hella bills. They got hella things that they didn't bought. They in a lot of debt, and it looks like that 10K is being ate up. Like, it don't even look like they making 10K a month. Some people making 10K a month don't even look like it, right? So that's what I'm saying. Money does not change. It doesn't matter on how much money you make. It really just exposes the type of person that you are. Okay, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So that's the biggest thing I want you guys to realize. So, you know, like I'm saying, it does not matter. Like, a lot of these people on YouTube, they're gonna sit here and tell you, like, oh, if you're not making 10K a month, you're a failure in life, bro. What? I know some people that's only making 2 to 5K, and I ain't gonna lie, bro. They making that shit work. They taking trips. They happy. They like, it's all about perspective. This life is all about perspective. Now, at some point in the time, we do want to get to the 10s, the 20s, the 30Ks. But if you don't get your habits right, it ain't gonna look like you're making 10, 20K a month. So that's the first thing that I realized, just to start off the video, get the video a little warmed up, right? So basically, the second thing that I learned is, man, making money is simple. It's not that hard, but keeping it, that's what's actually the hard part. Okay, so just last year when I started making money on YouTube, I did not know. I mean, I knew, but I didn't know that, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, you have to file self-employment taxes, all right? Like, the YouTube bread that I make, that's not all for me to keep. All right, so what it's doing for me now is, now I did pay my taxes. Okay, they took their little, I mean, I gave them their little chunk or whatever. But the thing that teach me now, teach me more financial discipline, all right? Now I know that, hey, basically take that money, invest it, you know what I'm saying, so you can have it to where the next tax time comes, or just set it to the side. So, excuse me, y'all. But yeah, basically every check that I get, I have to put a certain percentage to the side, and I have to really, you know what I'm saying, really budget it the right way. And that's not even just for me. This is for everybody. Literally, I've realized this even before YouTube. Making money is not the hard part, but keeping it is the hard part, right? Bad investments, you know what I'm saying? You know, when we get that job, we get that little raise, you know, we might go get a car note or you know, we buy hella shit. You guys get what I'm saying? So it's just like making money. It's really just as simple as it is. Like making bread, like it's not hard. It's really keeping yourself disciplined, keeping yourself away from fast food, away from a lot of things, right? You know what I'm saying? A lot of impulsive spending. You know, what the biggest thing that I realized, like I said, and this ties into even number one, a lot of people, they don't even have an income problem, right? Like a lot of people try to make it seem like, oh, you're only making $4,000 a month. That's poverty. That's not really poverty for real. Like you can make some shit shake with $4,000 or $5,000 a month. Like I don't know where everybody lives at. Like unless you live in Cali or New York, but where I'm from, $4,000 or $5,000 a month, bro, you can make some shit shake. All right, your rent around here is really only like what 1,000 to at the most 1,300 in Illinois. So you know what I'm saying? It's just all about what you do with your bread. But a lot of people, they don't have an income problem. A lot of people, they just have a spending problem. All right. And this is what I realized as I started to make money. You know what I'm saying? Or the taxes, not being self financially educated about all that type of stuff and knowing how to distribute your money into different things and organize it. All those different types of things, bro, you can get hit. And that's what I'm saying. You just gotta be aware, okay? Be aware of how much money you bringing in and how much money you can actually keep, okay? So that's one of the biggest things I learned about making money. All right. The next thing that I learned about making money that nobody told me is, of course, it seemed like this is simple, but this is something I actually had to learn myself. You will outgrow a lot of people, okay? And it's not the fact that you're making more money than them, but when you're doing a certain thing to make your money, sometimes you don't have the time. Sometimes you just on a different path than everybody. I got homeboys that's literally, brother, and not even no self-indictment shit. Like I got homeboys that literally trap. I got homeboys that scam. I got homeboys that do it. They do it all right? Anything you can think of, they do it. Like I got a lot of homeboys who do different things. But as I started to become legit, go legit, you know what I'm saying? I make my money from YouTube and stuff. It's just like you kind of outgrow it, right? You know what I'm saying? You just be on a different path, and that's okay, right? Sometimes your circle gets smaller once you start to make money, and that's fine. You know, sometimes you can just love. You just gotta love people from a distance. And another thing is like a lot of people, they won't understand like what you do. Because some people, like a lot of my homeboys, like they never understood. Like they be like, cause I remember I used to do vlogs. Like if you guys don't know the old reads, like I used to do vlogs. Like that was the way I made my content. But now I'm more like I'm in the crib. I might take a little trip here and there, and I might do my content on the road. But they'd expect me like to go out and like, hey, you could just make your money. Let's go to the club. You could vlog there. Like nah, like. I don't think you guys understand, like I have a community now, you know what I'm saying? So I have to actually prep out my video ideas. You know, I'm like a teacher, you know what I'm saying? Like I write shit down, I prep out notes, like I have to sit down. Like this is like a business now. Like this is, I'm trying to be professional as possible. You guys know what I'm saying? I pop out with a few little vlogs. Actually, you guys might get a vlog tomorrow, matter of fact, because I got an entrepreneurship mansion get together. So you guys might get a vlog tomorrow. So lucky you guys. But that's what I'm saying. Like, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just, people, they won't understand what you got going on. So it's a lot of times that my homeboy, they never understood what I was doing or how I make my bread. And you think a lot differently, right? I think differently now. You know, I'm not the young Reese I used to be anymore. I go out there and just we do dumb shit for content. So now it's just like when you start to make money and you start to actually make a certain amount of money, because I make a certain amount now where like this is like, I'm not gonna lie, like, yeah, like my income is really growing on YouTube. So like, hey, there's a certain way I gotta move. All right. So also I have to be safe. I can't do some of the things that I used to do. Right. So that's another thing. So another thing that I learned is, bruh, money amplifies who you are, because I'm gonna tell you guys why I put this down and why I realized this is because basically money does not buy you happiness. Now, I know I say I'm against this line all day, but it's true. All right. Now, does this mean don't go get money? Does this mean don't no, keep money the main thing? We still on this channel, we value money. Of course, we value God first, the most high, but we value money. I'm not one of the type of people, oh, money doesn't buy you happiness, forget. No, chase them, no, run up the bag. Run that bag up. But basically what I'm trying to say is, bro, like, for example, I'll put it like this, like how I always say, if you're doing something that you don't like, but it's bringing you a bag, it's not going to change your life. I always say I would rather be doing something and not get paid that much from it, and I love the shit out of it, than for me to be doing something that I hate, but I'm checking a bag. All right. That's just me personally, because money, it just amplifies who you are as a person. It doesn't matter how much money that you're making. If you were stressed before you were making money, if you were depressed before you were making money, even when you start making money, you're still gonna be depressed. You're still gonna be stressed. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys, okay? It doesn't matter how much money you start making. If you had problems, well, it all depends on certain problems too, but if you had non-money related problems, like if you had relationship problems, if you had problems with your mom, your dad, you had internal problems, money is not gonna change that. Doesn't matter if you bringing in 100K a year, 200K a year, 9 out of 10, you're still gonna be the same person. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say money just amplifies who you are as a person, bro. If you were disciplined before you had money, you're gonna be disciplined with money, okay? So money don't change you. You gotta change yourself. That's why I tell you guys gotta work on your mindset. You got to work on everything internally, externally. Like, you guys have to work on that, because money is not going to change. It's not going to make all your problems go away. All right. So that was just a few things that I learned about making money. Hopefully this video helped you guys out, kind of give you guys some gems, some tips. Hopefully everything made sense. If you guys need to watch the video again to kind of get what I'm saying, so make sure you guys watch it again. Hopefully everything made sense. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for 40,000 subscribers once again. Hey, you guys, let me know. Do you guys think we can hit 100K by the end of this year, bro? Y'all remember I put that on the whiteboard? That is one of the things that I definitely manifested, bro. I'm like, bro, we're going to hit 100K by the end of this year. So I don't know. Like, it's like, I feel like if we could hit 50K by June, by the end of June, start of July, that's like the half of the year. That's like the half of the year mark. I think we can do it. So make sure you guys are subscribing, bro. Y'all know I love this. Y'all love y'all even more. So y'all know me back with more content tomorrow. Hey, ski.